Hello everyone. Okay, so up till now we have understood single, multiple, multi-level inheritance. Okay, if you have not watched it, if you have directly jumped to this video, don't do that. Watch the previous, they are very short, okay, 5-7 minutes of videos, but you would understand in detail. We have taken a real example there. So now we are going to understand hierarchical. Okay, but like I said, you need to understand the old algorithm for that. So like I explained you before this, that was multiple inheritance. Write in comment section right now what is multiple inheritance if you remember it. I hope everyone has written it. If you have not written, pause the video, write it. I would check it. And yes, multiple inheritance means you have multiple parents. For example, father and mother. Now, hierarchical is exactly opposite of it. Exactly opposite. So now we will take the same code so that you can understand it. So in this, like you had two parents, Ballu and Chinky. Here you would have one parent, okay, that is Ballu, and you would have two children. Yes, common scenario it is. So we would just remove Chinky from here and we would write like Gajju, we have one more, that is Ajju. Okay. Now, again, this is the child for this parent class, that is Ballu. Now, like this is a star kid. Let's say this is a Don. Okay. And this Don definitely have a net worth of very high. Okay. This Don has a net worth of very, very, very high. But again, a risk of life. So now, in simple terms, you need to understand there is Ballu, the parent, and then you have two children. One is Gajju and one is Ajju. That's it. This is called as hierarchical inheritance. Now you just need to create an object differently. Now see that I would show you. So for example, if I create an object for Gajju as let's say G, okay, and I just call here G dot pro underscore Ballu. Okay, and then this Gajodhar can use every property of Gajodhar. So Gajodhar's house also. Sorry. Ballu's house, not Gajodhar. Yes, Gajodhar is the child. Ballu's house he can use and he can get that house. Same thing the Ajju can also do. So instead of Gajju, I would write here Ajju and I would write here A, then same way and the same way. So Ajju would also have the access to that 2 crores house. But now see that Ajju, if he tries to be a star kid, if he tries to take the property of a star kid, okay, he would not be able to do that because Ajju cannot take the properties of Gajju. Same way, Gajju cannot take this 404,000 million property. No, he cannot take that. So if I do G dot Don, you would see that you would not get anything. So Gajju has no attribute Don. But yes, Ajju has that. So you can write here A dot Don. But for that, you need to call this Don class. So A dot Ajju, and we need to just call this Don class. Okay, it's Don small. Yeah. Okay, so now it is done. And if you see A dot Don, it would be there. But same thing if you try to do for Gajodhar. Okay, because Gajodhar does not have an access to Ajju, so he would not be able to access that. Okay, so in short, just to summarize, multiple, you have multiple parents and one children. In hierarchical, you have one parent and multiple children. These children cannot access each other's property at all, cannot access it at all. So that is your hierarchical inheritance. Let's move in the next topic and let's complete the hybrid inheritance. Thank you so much, everyone. Keep smiling and keep liking the videos. Bye-bye. Take care.